shore and snore. Shore. Shore refers to the land along the edge of a body of water, such as a lake, river, or ocean. It is the area where the water meets the land. Examples: the children played on the sandy shore of the lake. We took a walk along the rocky shore of the ocean. Snore. Snore is a sound made during sleep when the flow of air through the mouth and nose causes the tissues of the throat to vibrate. It is a loud, hoarse sound that can disturb others. Examples: my roommate snores so loudly that I can't sleep at night. The sound of his snoring filled the room with a rhythmic hum. Differences. The main difference between shore and snore is in their meanings and usage. Shore refers to the land by the water's edge, while snore is a sound made during sleep. The two words are not related in any way other than their similar pronunciation. It is important to pay attention to the context in which these words are used to avoid confusion. Shore is a noun related to geography and landforms, while snore is a verb or noun related to sleep and breathing patterns. Both words are common in everyday English and are easily distinguishable once their meanings are understood.